Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. I am Vidya and you are watching Reading Connection. In this video, I am going to tell you how to learn a spoken English in 1 hour. Yes friends, you heard it right. You can learn spoken English in 1 hour. In this video, I am giving you 4 points to improve your spoken English. First step is you have to read 15 minutes. 15 minutes you have to read every day. Every day you have to read 15 minutes. Your favorite novels, your favorite English stories in which you are interested, you can read. And second step is listen every day for 15 minutes. Every day you have to listen for 15 minutes. Any English movies, any podcast in which you are interested, but you have to listen every day. And third step is you have to speak 15 minutes. You have to speak for 15 minutes. 15 minutes you have to speak every day. Every day you have to speak. Anything you can speak, whatever you do in your whole day. Suppose that you go to the shop and you are buying something. So after coming home, you can describe what do you buy, what did you buy, and what have you buy, what have you bought. So you can describe in English whatever you did while purchasing anything on the shop, and what you see what you see on the way by purchasing anything. So anything you can describe in English. Why am I speaking English with my son? Because when I try to speak, he woke up or he started crying. So that's why actually he is feeling sleepy. So, and fourth step is you will have to listening, writing. You will have to write every day. Every day you have to write for 15 minutes. 15 minutes every day you have to write. You can write anything, about any movie, about any stories, and about yourself you can write. So these are 4 steps you have to follow every day for 15 minutes. Every day you will have to follow for 15 minutes. So guys, definitely you can improve your spoken English, and one day you will speak English definitely. So actually these 4 steps I also follow. These 4 steps I listen every day, and I try to speak English every day. So I want that you learn spoken English with me. So these 4 steps you will have to follow every day. Every day you can follow these 4 steps. What happened? Were you crying? So guys, I hope you understand what you have to do. You have to follow 4 steps: listening, reading, writing, and speaking for 15 minutes every day. Every day you have to follow these 4 steps for improve your spoken English. Actually, he is my son. I introduce my son. He is only 10 months old, don't call Sona, and I call him Sona, but his name is Ayansi. What happened? He always cry loudly. Are you hungry? Sona, are you hungry? Okay guys, so that's all for today. See you in next video. Till then, take care, keep practicing, keep learning.